Hello, friends. I'm Lieutenant General Balbir Singh Sandhu, a soldier, sportsman, and a leader. Having spent almost 4 decades in the Indian Army, I've gone through all aspects of soldiering and leadership, and I've had the privilege of playing sports both at the national and international level. Army has been a way of life more than being a profession. I enjoyed every moment, and I held the appointment of Director General Supplies and Transport and Director General Information Technology before I retired in 2017. I look forward now to contributing towards the corporate world. We'll talk today about brand building and reputation. I'm not going to give you the standard points which are given in all the management books. I'll speak about it the way I perceive it and the way I think we can take steps to build a brand and maintain its reputation. The starting point would be, as the word says, build a brand. A lot of effort needs to go in how you build a brand. And when you're building a brand, and like when we build our own growth for our children's growth as we bring them up, is to give an identity, give it uniqueness, give it what would make it look so good that everyone wants to get that brand, and everyone wants to know about that brand. And like I said, capability building or the product building is what is the foundation of brand building. If you don't have capability in your product, if you do not have the thing which wins people over, that brand building is no good. Just trying to make a reputation without authentic inputs will probably go up for a while, but it will fall as fast. It will not be able to sustain itself. Hence, like in the army, we have units which are more than 250-year-old, and there are units or the army regiments which are raised very, very recently. There have been instances very, very often when this newly raised unit is able to beat that 250-year-old units in competitions, in war even. So, you do not have to look at the age. Age, heritage, traditions are important. But if I am newcomer, I should not be ever discouraged by that fact. Probably a fresh look is always welcome. But while building the brand, you need to be meticulous. You should have a lot of preparation, learning from others. The biggest thing in life is to learn from others. Learn the lessons where others lost. Like they say, a wise man learns from others' mistakes. And then is the issue of maintaining reputation. Brand must be nurtured like a child. A brand must stay dynamic. The business strategy must be in sync with your desires, your goals, and whatever else is coming around you. Learn lessons, build brand with hard work, and maintain its reputation with even harder work. Thank you. Should there be any questions, you can contact me on the email and I shall take them on one-to-one.